everyone. How are you all? Hope so you all are well at your home. And now today we are going to start our exercise 5.4. Okay, that is also chapter number 5. That is based on addition subtraction of integers. Okay, integers you people already know that. Now first one is subtract the first integer from the second integer. So firstly we will know which one is first integer and which one is second integer. Is it okay? First integer. Suppose that this is your sum. Okay, question. Subtract the first integer. This is first integer and this is second. Is it okay? Okay. First integer from the second. It means second we will write first. Minus 5 minus subtract minus which number? 12. Is it okay? This is first number, subtract, this is the second number, subtract from first number. Minus minus plus 12 plus 5 17, sign is negative because both are negative. Is it okay? Next one, second integer minus 8, subtract from first integer. Is it okay? Minus minus plus, it means we add these numbers. So this is 7560. These are negative both, so answer is also in a negative. Is it okay? This is your answer. Next one, same as second integer, this one. Subtract from first integer. Is it okay? Minus minus plus, so this is also 1000. Is it okay? I think this is clear to all of you. And now we will start. Next question, find the value. Find the value, this is your sum. Okay, and this is integers with the signs, write in brackets. Okay. Minus 12, minus 5, minus 125 plus 270, both of them. So now first one is minus 27. These are brackets. Okay. Two signs are, दोनों sign नाल पाए, it means minus minus is plus. Is it okay? Plus minus minus. ये ਜਿਹੜੇ दो sign है ना, ये दसणगे बेटा कि ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ plus करना है या minus करना है. Plus minus minus. Minus आ गया, it means 27 minus 23, 4. Which number is greater? 27. Sign is minus. Is it okay? This is our answer. Same as going on second. Minus 12, minus minus plus 5. Is it okay? नाल जिहड़े साइन पाए होंगे ना उन्हां नूं आपां खोलना है. Minus minus plus. This is again minus minus plus. This is 27. Is it okay? हम देखो सिर्फ ये नेगेटिव है, ये प्लस है, तीनों प्लस कर दो. 270 plus 130. This is 400. Plus minus minus 400 minus 12 388. साइन नेगेटिव नहीं आएगा क्योंकि 412 छोटा है, स्मॉलर है, स्मॉलर अगे माइनस साइन है. जे यही साइन बेटा माइनस का इतने होंगे आप इतने भी माइनस लगाना सी आंसर. सो दिस इज 388. इज इट ओके? एंड नाउ वन सम वी विल ऑल्सो डू. सपोज दैट आवर नेक्स्ट सम इज next our question is minus 1 plus minus 304 plus 304 plus 304 plus minus 304 and plus 1. This is our question. Now suppose this all I want to write. See, minus 1 plus minus minus plus plus, because here is no bracket, so no need to change any sign. Okay, दो साइन इकट्ठी हुई है. इधर देखो, this is also in bracket, plus minus minus plus 1. So see, minus 1, 304 minus 304, 0. Is it okay? 304 minus 304, this is again 0. So this is plus 1. 1 minus 1, answer we will get it 0. Is it okay? So these two parts we will do it in this class. Okay. And next you have to do these sums for practice. For practice. This is your homework. Is it okay? And if any doubt, then write in a comment section. Okay. And do it in your fair notebook also. Is it okay? Okay. Bye bye.